Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is for you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you all are here. We are going to have a very motivating video for you guys today. So if you need the cleaning motivation, I am here for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I have a channel all about cleaning motivation, speed cleaning, deep cleaning, whole house clean with me's, and I just do my very best every day to get it done. Sometimes it's a little bit per day, sometimes it's a lot in one day. I am a full-time worker and a mom and married to my husband John. We both work full-time. So getting things done around the house is a struggle, and this is a new season of life for me. So I'm sharing with you guys a very new season, becoming new parents for the first time and trying to adjust to our weekly schedule has been obviously has had a lot of challenges for us. So I do YouTube on the side for fun, and I love making these videos for you guys. It is such a fun hobby for me. So I am so glad to be able to have you all here to just get some things done, whether it is cleaning, whether it's a workout, whether it's meal prepping, whatever it is. I hope that I'm able to just give you maybe a friend to listen to or to clean with, or just being here for you guys. I love watching cleaning videos. I love the motivation that it gives me. And I also feel like I've created virtual friends through YouTube. So I hope you guys come here and have a great time. You leave happy after watching my videos. And I love chatting with you in the comments section. So definitely leave a comment if you are new. I would love to say hi and welcome you to the channel. So just introduce yourself. It's nice to see everyone chatting in the comment section. And I just find it super motivating and fun. And it's like we've created this little community. So anyways, back to cleaning. So I'm just getting all the dishes done. I typically don't have dishes in the sink. I'm that type of person that can't stand having dishes in the sink. So this was a really great day to record because I had dishes in the sink. So first I was just getting all the dishes done. And if you've been around, you know I hate doing dishes. I love laundry, but I can't stand dishes. But we're getting it all done. Gonna clean the sink. I love to just use Gain dish soap, Gain dish soap to clean the sink, and then my Scrub Mommy brush. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. things that I'm just kind of learning and going through in this season of life, that it's okay to put those tasks that need to get done aside, and just setting priorities every day. So every day is not perfect, and I always tell myself, you always have tomorrow. You know, for basic things in life, like laundry or dishes, that can wait till tomorrow. It doesn't have to be done right this second. So anyways, that's kind of just, I wanted to give you guys just insight on kind of what I'm going through. I'm sure a lot of you watching are parents as well. So if you have advice to give, I would love to hear it. I know some people don't like taking advice, but I'm very open to advice because I'm a first-time mom and I'm learning. I do trial and error as I go, and it's just nice to hear how other people do it. So if you feel like you're getting a lot done and you're a parent, please, I'm sure there's a lot of people that would love to hear your advice. So please comment that down below. I have just told myself it's okay to not get everything done, and it can wait until tomorrow for, you know, basic things, like I said. The mopping the floor, the doing the laundry, that can always wait if there's something else that's more important that needs to get done.
I feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay? Yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I feel good. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I feel good. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. Didn't think I could. Now feels so good when I'm with you, darling. Now I can't stay away.
I want to share with you guys something that I'm going to be trying out in a future video, and it is a laundry hack. So I just purchased what I'm about to tell you, so I'll let you guys know once I receive it. But basically, I have well water, and I love having well water. I would never change that. I've had before in my previous house, I've had city water, and then this house that we live in now, we have well water and I love it. But however, I feel like my whites are not as like clean white looking as they once were when I first bought them. Like, for example, our towels, our bed sheets, white shirts, whatever the case may be, they're clean, but they're not as white as I want them to be. So my friend told me about this little hack, and I'm going to give it a try, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So it's on Amazon. It's called Glamorous Wash, and it's the Diva scent is the one that she told me about. And it's this laundry detergent that helps, really helps with whites. And then you're supposed to get steaming hot water in a sink, put whatever towel, t-shirt, whatever the white item is, and put a little bit of that detergent in, as well as Lysol bleach, like laundry sanitizer. It's like $9 on Amazon, and then the laundry detergent is $24 for 32 ounces. So altogether, it's like $33 or something around there. So you put those two together in steaming hot water and just let it sit for 8 hours. And apparently that is supposed to help make your whites extremely crisp white, very clean looking. So I'm going to give it a try. And in a very future probably next week because I should be receiving the product anytime now. But I bought that and my friend was telling me about it and I really wanted to share some hacks with you guys. So I just wanted to let you know that will be in a very future, upcoming, very soon video.
I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. Oh, I can't stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. You got it in my heart, it's always open. Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. I feel good, you got it in my heart, it's always open. In my heart I know it's you that I've chosen.
I wanted to get some feedback from you all. I like to make longer videos, but recently I've found that the content that I have kind of makes like a 15-minute video, and I didn't know if you all preferred longer videos. I've seen some comments, people saying I prefer longer ones, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, because you need that time to get your cleaning done. So I do have a playlist of like 75 plus videos, so if you ever need more videos, I got you. I got plenty of cleaning videos, but I wanted to know, do you guys prefer the 30-minute videos, the 40-minute videos, or like 15, 20 max? I love longer videos, so that's just me personally, but I just wanted to see what your guys' preference is. Definitely comment below what your preference is.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you felt like you were cleaning with a friend or just getting things done, checked off your to-do list with a friend. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe. Be sure to comment and say hello, introduce yourself. I love commenting back to everybody, so don't be shy. Definitely leave me a comment below, and I will see you all in next week's video. Bye!